Hi, I'm Leon Watt. I am playing Seymour for the Sominex cast.
Hi, I'm Katie Miller, and I'm playing Seymour for the Suppertime cast.
Hi, I'm Paige Prakash, and I am playing Mr. Mushnik in both casts.
Hi, I'm Anna Tarasova, and I'm playing Audrey in the Sominex cast.
Hi, I'm Sam Kernigan, and I'm playing Audrey in the Suppertime cast.
I love my character because he is like a representation of who I am. Like nerdy, doesn't have a lot of friends, like super awkward.
I would like to also second what Leon said. I think he is us in different ways.
My part sits a lot, so I'm a fan.
I just like my character because of the choices and fashion choices she makes. Wearing 6-inch heels that are bright pink is not my typical wear.
I like Audrey because she's like a way I can express my inner like dumbness.
Yeah.
So I can act like I'm completely incompetent, but I don't have to be like that.
It's long, it's tiring, it's fun, but it's rewarding.
I think it's definitely just like watching how your soul does things. It's like you get to get a lot of ideas for how you want to do yourself. And obviously like the way that he does it is gonna be different from the way I do it, but the way I see him do it or the way he sees me do it, we're gonna like play off each other. Yeah. So in the end, we just
I mean, it's just fun having another person
Yeah,
there.
I think one of the things that we do with rehearsals is this skip row battle where we sing a song and we just face each other and like do it as much as we can in each other's face. But it's just been a lot of fun. It's a good way to like get yourself like into character and like pumped. It's just,
Yeah.
it's almost a competition, but not quite. Like
Each cast has a different dynamic and different things to bring to the table. I think that they play the characters differently. One cast might play Audrey as dumber, or one might play her as a little more in control, and you have to play off of those.
Finding, like, unpacking the plant for the first time and working with that was really cool.
So I think one of the best things for me, this happens like every rehearsal that we get to do this, is Kainoa and I, even before we knew what show we were doing, had started learning one of the songs together, just kind of for fun. We've learned
And it wasn't that we thought we were going to be doing Little Shop. We were like, hey, this is a nice song to do.
Yeah.
I want to do this. And so that song, Suddenly Seymour in the show, is our favorite song.
Yeah. It's
And
really fun every time we get to do it.
yeah.
Ridiculous.
Yeah. Wild.
Dark, in a fun way.
Yeah.
I don't want to learn anymore.
No, but like dark in a fun way.
The show dates are on November
16, 17, and 2.
There's a matinee on the 18th
there's two on
and
the
a night
18th.
show on the 18th.
1 p.m., 18th, 17th.
So this is all
Day show, night show. Day show, night show.
Come see the show.
Please.